Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make the truck tires. The bracelet that I saw earlier today on the net, and I have to make my own version. So in the next few minutes I'm gonna show you step by step how to do this particular bracelet. So stay tuned, and the tutorial is coming right now. Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha One982 YouTube channel. As always, I'm Dale, and in today's clip I'm gonna show you how to make the new Paracord bracelet from the Mad Max edition called the Tyres. Dimension of the paracord you need will be in the description of this video down below. I here have the 3.5 meters of black paracord and 1.5 meters of this neon green paracord. So stay tuned, here we go. As always, we're gonna join these two strings. Now take these two ends like this, now when we drawing this, as you can see, it's well drawn. Let's check it out so it can clear a bit. Okay, now just take the end of this neon green, a bit toward the end of this neon green, and slide them up, and then take this black one and pull it over so we can join them. This is the fastest and the smoothest way to join two paracords, and I must say the cleanest one. Sorry. Now you see we joined them well perfectly, and it's tight enough. Okay, now as usual we're gonna make the base for the Mad Max bracelets, and we're gonna do the wrist measuring. When you measure your wrist, leave the space for, that's enough. Leave the space for the extra paracord. And now we're gonna do the basic Solomon knot like this. And here, guys, we are almost on the end of making this bracelet, so I'm gonna show you one more time how to make knots or weaving for this particular bracelet. The most important thing is that when you finish one of the rows, you have to take this black cord and put it under this neon green, and then start making a knot. Like this, and keep it tight, and do one more time. As you can see, we done 2 tires here, and now the other side. If you have any questions, guys, about this bracelet, or you want me to do the whole tutorial about this bracelet step by step, I'm gonna do it. Leave the comment down below. Of course, if you like this video, please subscribe, give a thumb up, share with your friends and family, and send some work you did on your own. So maybe you done this kind of bracelet different in some other way. I'd be glad to learn from you. And here it is. We done one more row of the tires. Now let's shape it up. Now you can see it. Actually, this is the bracelet you can done in 20 minutes. It's a thick bracelet, as you can see, and it's some kind of unique bracelet, because when you look it from the side, it looks like this, and when you wear it, it's gonna look like the truck tires. I saw the name somewhere on the internet, and now almost the finish one. This video is different from the other videos I done, because what's this white? Because this black paracord was 3.5 meters long, so it will be tough for you to watch when I'm doing this, exactly what I'm doing now. And the 2 tires are done. Now I have to pass on the other side. As usual, you need to pay attention, so you're going from the top, through the loop, and down. This is important for the other tire you made, or you're gonna make, because it needs to go down like this, or downwards, as you wish. And here we go. Now just to make it tight, pull this green, neon green, and this black, and make it a bit tighter. And here we are. we have almost done this bracelet.
here again.
And here we are, guys, our bracelet is finished. Now we are left only to do the stop knot and we are done. Like this. here it is. Our stop knot is done. And we are ready to finish this bracelet. Now just remove this excess. Just remove this excess paracord. As you can see, we're left with a few centimeters of the green and the black. So I'll give the exact measurements in the description, like I said in the intro. And here we are. The stop knot is finished and the bracelet is also done. As you can see, it fits perfectly. And of course, as I showed you before, you can do this to hide this nut like this. You see. As always, guys, if you have any questions about this truck tires bracelet, or you have any other suggestions considering this bracelet or this channel, leave the comment down below and I'll be glad to answer to all your questions and consider your suggestions. If you like this video, please give a thumb up, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and see you soon in the next video. Until then, stay safe, be well. Dado signing out. Bye.